If Target is one of your go-to stores, this video is going to save you a ton of time because these are the best items to buy at Target in 2026 so you can shop smarter without overthinking it. So let's go shopping. Let's start with meat and seafood, but later on I'll show you some great stuff in the dairy and snack aisle. Luckily for us, when it comes to the beef, Target's got the good stuff. This is organic, 100% grass-fed ground beef, but this one is 90-10. It's leaner. And it's a little more expensive. The Pro Move is stage left right here. They sell these family packs here that are cheaper. It's a 2-pack for $14.49. But that's what I care about, $85.15. Don't be afraid of the fat. What lives in the fat? Healthy omega-3 fatty acids. And this kind of ground beef is 100% grass-fed, pasture-raised. It's high-quality fat, high-quality protein for you and I. Now, this Target doesn't have the biggest seafood section. Leave a comment down below. Maybe yours has a bigger one. I only want you to get this type of salmon. Wild Alaskan sockeye or coho. This compared to farm raised is night and day. We've talked about it for years. This is farm raised in a pen in the ocean with thousands of other fish that get a man-made GMO feed. This is wild caught. Look at the color, it's beautiful. Nutritionally speaking, for you and I, it's way, way better. And sometimes they have bigger cuts here at Target. You let me know if your one has a bigger. Now I'm gonna show you another protein item that might surprise you. Not all hot dogs are created equally. I want you to get this one right here because the traditional hot dog we grew up with is low quality meat. I oftentimes joke it's lips and buttholes. This right here is 100% grass-fed beef hot dogs. Also a really good source of protein. It's all beef. It's 7 grams of protein. This is not like the stuff we grew up with. The ingredients are perfect and I love it. And I love this. We have turkey meat selections here for lunch, but they have the one that I have at home right now. It's organic Applegate turkey breast. Why do I care about that versus this? Well, we are what we eat eats. This is turkey that's conventional. They're eating GMO grains. We don't want to eat GMOs. This is organic, so it has an organic feed, and the other ingredients are perfect. This on a good Bobby approved bread with some pesto and mayo, my kind of lunch. Speaking of my kind of stuff, I'm gonna show you some snacks that are really healthy that you don't wanna sleep on. Snacks are where people can get it wrong because they think they can't be healthy, but at Target, on the chip aisle here, they have a lot of options. They have a lot of Siete chips here. You may have heard me talk about this in the past, but this new sour cream and onion flavor is amazing. The nice thing about Siete is, look, everything they make is cooked in avocado oil. Most chips are fried in seed oils, inflammatory and bad. Avocado oil, the opposite. And all their seasonings are perfectly Bobby approved. It doesn't matter what you pick up here. Let's pick up some popcorn here. You might not think it's Bobby approved, but that's when you break out the free Bobby approved app. This one's Bobby approved. They use non-GMO popcorn cooked in olive oil. Now, yes, they do have one that has cane sugar. That's not Bobby approved, but that's a solid option. If you're a popcorn lover too, we love this, the private label. Good and Gather organic popcorn cooked in organic olive oil. Really, really yummy stuff. And of course, when it comes to the OG of popcorn, you can't go wrong with the original, lesser evil. So a lot of snacks that are healthy, you just have to know how to read the ingredients. I'm gonna show you a sweet one right now that you do not wanna miss. You gotta come over to the fridge section for this one, but it's a chocolate bar that's perfectly Bobby approved. It's a Midday Square. They're all great, but chocolate peanut butter is my weakness. This is made with chocolate sweetened with coconut sugar, maple syrup. They use olive oil, they use coconut oil, they use all real ingredients, but it's a functional chocolate bar. What does that mean? Well, it only has 4 grams of fiber per bar and 6 grams of protein. That's what I'm talking about, a sweet treat that has perfect ingredients and it's functional and it goes in my cart. There's another one in the aisles too that's a delicious bar at a low price. You probably know of the Lara bar. It's your typical fruit and nut bar, but at Target, they knocked them off. They have the Good and Gather fruit and nut bars. The difference is the price. They're cheaper and it's the exact same ingredients. A lemon bar with real dates, lemon, nuts, and that's it. A good source of fiber from the nuts. Very, very yummy. Every flavor here is Bobby approved. Next up, I'll show you a protein packed snack you're gonna wanna eat. Target has some classic beef sticks that we all know and love here, but they have some new ones that taste great. So Country Archer's good because look, it's grass-fed beef sticks. But what is a beef taco mix? It's actually seasoned with chipotles, cilantro, chili powder, tomato powder. That's all Bobby approved. How cool is that? And yeah, it's 4 grams of protein per mini, but 3 grams of healthy fat. I've said it before, but healthy fat plus protein satiates your hunger. How about prime rib? Lara-style? Well, seasoned with prime rib seasonings like garlic and onion powder, chili powder. Yummy and a great source of portable protein here in the aisles at Target. Before we move on to pantry staples that you do not want to miss, let's throw some love to the sponsor of the video, which is Siete, which you can also find at Target. And my link down below gets you 30% off your first month's supply or 40% off if you order 2 or more bottles. Why is this important? Well, in the new year, you might be trying to eat healthier. Most probiotics actually don't work. The bacteria in there are inferior and they die in your tummy acids. They don't make it to your colon. Seed works well. See what it says right here? They have 24 strains of bacteria that work well for poop regularity, immune health, bowel health, and more. They did a study that people who took seed had a 400% increase in healthy gut bacteria, and the microbiome is what it's all about, my friends. This is great here. Once again, my link down below gets you 30% off your first month's supply, but just for the next couple weeks, you can get 40% off if you buy 2 or more bottles. So maybe for you and a family member, link down below, check out Siete. Now we're talking about things you have to stock in your pantry. Oh, like protein, not just any protein, my protein, right? It's been at Target now for a few months. It's the Flav City all-in-one protein smoothie. By the way, it's selling amazing because of you, the community, so high five. But what is the difference between this and just any other protein powder you can get here? It's a protein powder smoothie. I put everything in one scoop. Look at this. It's grass-fed whey, grass-fed collagen, fruit, functional mushrooms, and more. You don't have to use a blender if you don't want to. You don't have to add any other ingredients except water or milk. We have multiple flavors here at Target. Single serves for $2.99 and the Target exclusive flavor of strawberry shortcake with organic strawberries, organic cranberries, organic buttermilk. It's like real strawberry shortcake batter. Grab it at Target stores nationwide, and thank you for your support. Next up, I'm showing you literally one of my favorite things here at Target in the middle aisle. What is the hardest part about wild rice? Cooking it takes an hour. They have solved this for you already. It's pre-cooked Target Good and Gather rice. Wild rice is incredibly nutrient dense. 6 grams of fiber per serving and 15 grams of protein, nutrient-dense carbs. This is an epic deal, guys. It's pre-cooked 8.5 ounces for $3.19. Warm this up with a little bit of nuts or seeds with a piece of protein. Easy peasy dinner. I love this. I talk about it so much, it oftentimes sells out, so don't tell anyone. Next up, I'm gonna show you maybe one of the only cereals here at Target that is Bobby approved. Someone please explain to me how Ghost, the energy drink, makes cereal now. I don't quite understand that connection, but we're in the better for you cereal aisle. Not Bobby approved, not Bobby approved. This is the Bobby approved one. 7 Sundays, every flavor they make is great. This is their version of Cheerios. Protein oat cereal made with upcycled oats, non-GMO corn, wildflower honey, coconut oil. Oat should either be organic or glyphosate free. Boom, glyphosate free there. No matter what flavor you get, they're all Bobby approved. Fun fact, I don't eat cereal for breakfast. I'll have it on the couch while watching my favorite TV show, which currently is Pluribus, which started good, then it got bad, so I don't know how I feel about it. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you're thinking too. Next up, I wanna show you what am I showing?
Pasta.
A pasta, a really good pasta here at Target. So many boxes of pasta, but these are the ones I would get here at Target. It's actually the Good and Gather red lentil pasta. It's gluten-free, yes, but lentils and legumes are incredibly nutrient dense. A serving has 15 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber. Fun fact, I cannot eat too much of this stuff because the fiber actually binds my tummy up so much. Next up, I would get jovial pasta. I like this one because it's gluten-free, but it's made of brown rice and it's Italian and it's very yummy. And another legume-based one is Banza don't believe the fake news you heard earlier in 2025 about high levels of glyphosate. It was wrong, like usual. Just do your research or follow me. I'll always give you the truth. Once again, this is going to be 11 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber, which is really nice too. I cannot find an organic wheat pasta here, which would be the only type of Bobby approved gluten. If you have it at your Target, leave a comment down below. But that is it for pasta. My issue with most ketchup is they use copious amounts of sugar, and even when it's sugar-free, they use the artificial sweeteners like sucralose, which is terrible. That's why I love the Primal Kitchen ketchup here. It has no sweetener at all, and it tastes absolutely delicious. They finally came out with the big bottle you can squeeze over your grass-fed burgers, and it's absolutely delicious. And my friends, if you're still watching the video at this point, hit that subscribe button. The stat is getting lower, but still 80% of you guys who watch my videos aren't subscribed, meaning you're missing out from videos from your favorite grocery stores like Costco, Walmart, Aldi, Target, all the time. We have 10 million plus community members. Hit the subscribe button and join, because next up I'm gonna show you one of my favorite drinks they have a very good selection here of. They have such an amazing selection of Spindrift, which could be the only Bobby approved flavored sparkling water, and pineapple is delicious. It has tropical vibes to it, and it's water with pineapple juice and pineapple extract. Do me a favor, pick up your favorite flavored water. Any brand here. How do they get the flavoring in there? Well, I don't see any fruit. I see natural flavors. If you follow the channel, like many of you do, natural flavors is the biggest lie in the grocery store. There's no real fruit in there. It's all flavoring. It's one step better than artificial flavors. You will not find that in Spindrift. I absolutely love it. Okay, that is it for pantry items, but stay tuned, because next up we're showing the best of the best when it comes to dairy here at Target. We begin dairy with eggs, right? Which are not dairy, but they're in the dairy section, and they have the eggs that I use at home. Vital Farms organic, yes, but pasture-raised. And now every grocery store has pasture-raised. And what's the difference, you guys, between like pasture-raised eggs and organic eggs here? Well, basically, pasture-raised eggs come from chickens that only live outside. They eat bugs, worms, and grass, and have a supplemental feed of grain. Even when you get organic free range, organic cage free, these are chickens that never go outside. Have you ever noticed how pasture-raised yolks are more orange? That's because the diet is better. The chickens are more active, and nutritionally speaking, the eggs and the nutrition are better for you and I. Always go for pasture-raised. Even the non-organic ones are fine too. Now we come to milk here. I want to show you non-dairy and dairy-based milk, and this is relatively new. It's Malk almond milk here. Malk is nice because it's just a few simple ingredients here with no oils, gums, or emulsifiers. Don't sleep though on the coconut milk here. It's so floral and delicious because it's coconut meat with coconut water. So it tastes really, really yummy, and this is relatively new here. They normally have the Califia organic simple one. I don't see it right here, but I'm gonna throw it on screen. Only get that one because it's just almonds and water, and that's it. Now, for the dairy lovers out there, this is my favorite brand. It's Maple Hill 100% grass-fed milk. Please never get low-fat milk, because when you have quality dairy, what lives in the fat? Healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Comes from grass-fed. Compared to organic grain-fed, grass-fed is better for you and I. I'm trying to find you the most nutrient-dense foods at Target and your grocery store. So that goes in my cart too. Last up in the dairy section is butter. There's two reasons why I would only get Kerrygold butter here at Target. Number one, it's milk from grass-fed cattle. Number two, European-style butter, so far superior to American-style butter. Number one, this is GMO. Number two, American-style butter has more water, less fat. European is a higher butter fat percentage, around 85%, which makes it better and more delicious. But if your Target has it, don't sleep on this. It's churn grass-fed flavored butter. This is a garlic shallot butter that I spoon on my steaks when they're resting, and it's literally made with delicious, real Bobby approved ingredients. It is awesome. So when it comes to dairy here at Target, that's what I would get. Next up, we're hitting fridge and frozen must-haves. The fridge and freezer section has some good finds, like Bobby approved overnight oats. Now, yes, you can make overnight oats at home very easily, but in case you don't have time, mush is a good one. Why? Because it's oats sweetened with dates, and they use real ingredients like vanilla here. Now, the oats are not organic, but they're certified glyphosate-free, which is really nice. And at $1.99, it comes in handy when you need it in a pinch. And my friends, when you're in a pinch at the grocery store and you don't know if something is clean or Bobby approved, use my free app. We have 125,000 five-star reviews. You scan things. If it has bad ingredients, it tells you why it's bad and tells you what to buy instead. It's like having me go shopping with you. Click on your shopping list of Target and it only shows you Bobby approved items so you can get in and out of the store super quick, and it's free. Apple App Store, Google Play, links down below. Next up, we go to the frozen section. If you like pizza and ice cream, stick around for a second because this is new. It's Capello's. They've had other varieties, but this is a new gluten-free pizza made with wheat. See what it says right here? They use European gluten-free wheat. They take flour, filter out the gluten, and all you have is wheat starch that's glyphosate free. Now, the rest of the ingredients are about as good as they get for a regular pizza. Not Bobby approved, but very close. Do me a favor, don't get the pepperoni one because the pepperoni is GMO and has natural flavors. I've been talking about the regular cheese one, and whoops, it's completely sold out there. I think we call that the Bobby effect. Once again, not perfectly Bobby approved, but the regular cheese one is about as good as it gets. Now, I mentioned ice cream also. Another thing that's relatively new, and I think the only place you can get it is Target, is protein pints. It's ice cream made with whey protein. And it actually impresses me on an ingredient level because it's made with milk, cream, sweetened with allulose, whey protein isolate, tapioca, real coffee and monk fruit, real cocoa, no BS. A serving here has 10 grams of protein, and they call out the net carbs on here as 6 net carbs. Once again, not perfectly Bobby approved, but one of the cleaner options I've seen at Target, which is very, very impressive. So my friends, that is it for my ultimate guide to shopping at Target in 2026. If there's other items that you love and I missed, leave a comment down below. If you want to see my other videos from the ultimate guides from Aldi and Walmart, check those out too, but I'll see you soon. Bye.